All right, we're gonna close the books on week 3 of the TP2 Ultimate Bowling League today in this video. So we have 3 more matches, and so we're doing the bottom half. So let's take a look at the matches for today. So these are the victors from the last video. Player 5 versus player 8. Player 5 came out victorious. Same with player 6 and player 1. So today, player 2, Dinger Dang, going up against player 11, Silk. Next, we will have player 3, Eliza, against player 10, Jiffy. And then later, we will have player 4, Jahan, versus player 9, my personal me, TP2. Those are the matches. Who do you think is going to win? Find out after I say this. Don't forget to destroy that like button, subscribe, turn on all the bells necessary, because this video starts right now. Alright, Dinger Dang. One of the few people to have won all their matches up to this point. Oh boy, and he starts with the big 4. What we've seen all week is those who have open frames in the first making comebacks. Coming from behind. Silk gets a strike. Oh! Silk has yet to win a match. So far, she has not won. Dinger Dang! No way. So far, we are 0% on this lead right here. No one has made this. Until now. Dinger Dang makes it, and it was, let's just say that's a 9 spare. Because he was working on a strike, there's no lost count there. 9 spare for Dinger Dang. He rebounds in a fine way. Still trying some different angles. And she goes Brooklyn! Trying a different angle. She goes Brooklyn. Dinger Dang. High for 7. Covers. Silk, look out! That was light. Strike. Strike for Dinger Dang, who has been undefeated. Silk with the strike. Himbo! Oh no. It's a makeable split. Oh no. Another open frame for Dinger Dang. That's going to cost him a lot. Because the win is going to basically be handed over to Silk after this 8th frame, if he doesn't strike fast. He needs basically everything he's got. That's essentially a win right there. Strike here does it. There it is. That is a win for Silk. Silk has defeated Dinger Dang. Yeah, that's basically it. Silk has defeated Dinger Dang. First win for Silk. And Dinger Dang has taken the L for the first time this season. Not that Dinger Dang has lost in any of my videos, but he has lost quite a few times. But this season in the league. This is his first L.
Amazing.
Silk is going to shoot 280. Yeah! That's the highest score of the tournament. 280. Silk takes the dub. All right, on to our next match. Match number 2. Eliza versus Jeffy. Eliza gets us started. Strike. Just put a little bit of revs on there with their new Star Pro Ball. Trip 10 pin to start for Jeffy. Great stuff. Eliza. Oh boy, look out. Nice, and going around. Trip 10 pin. Jeffy to match. He does. Eliza, there you go, 10 pin. 7 pin, I meant, sorry. Great stuff. Great stuff. Eliza. All right, the strikes keep coming. Hambone.
Amazing.
Eliza. Oh no. Okay, high shot, but that was a 4-7 lead. She covers it. Still clean. Here comes Jeffy. 5 in a row for Jeffy. There you go, Eliza. But Jeffy keeps it going with the 6-pack of cider. Comment down below, what is your favorite drink? I like water. I'm boring.
Incredible.
7 in a row for Jeffy. He keeps it going. Eliza, trip 10 pin. Gobble, gobble. Oh, that thing almost stood back up. That would have been... oh, look at that. Lucky break for Jeffy.
Amazing.
Hambone for Eliza. He's got the front 9. Eliza. Remember, Eliza cannot be shut out. But she can if she strikes out. That strike was huge right there. That strike was huge because that now forces Jeffy to strike in the first ball. Actually, no. Now, the situation here. 9 spares strike for victory. 3 strikes for perfection. Does he have the first? He does. And he's got the win. Okay. One more for our first perfect game of the Ultimate Bowling League. Does he have it? Oh yeah! Perfection for Jeffy.
Perfect.
That is our first perfect game of the league. There it is. Jeffy takes the dub. So, let's go on to our final match. Alright, our final match. Jaehan versus my personal me. Battle of the green shirts. Good start. And also, Jeffy won his first match. Messenger! Yeah! There we go, we got some action now. Sick Messenger.
Two for two.
Double for Jaehan. They're both wearing green shirts. Bright green. Like neon green, sorta.
2 in a row.
Jaehan, yeah, took 10 pin. My personal me has won a match. And Jaehan has also won a match. Jaehan is undefeated. Up to week 3. Jaehan is undefeated. Jaehan keeps it going with the ham bone. How about matching ham bones? Great shots by both players today. High scores all around. So both of these players have won at least one match. Oh! 4 pin for personal me. Jaehan, yeah! We might have 2 perfect games. I don't want to jinx it. Oh! 9 pin. Solid 9. But he covers it. Jaehan keeps it going with the 8-bagger.
Nice one.
Good strike for personal me. Alright, here we go. Alright! Jaehan has got the front 9. Essentially, she needs only a mark to win. Any kind of mark. But perfection would be better. She's got 10! 10 in a row. 2 more to go. Looking for 11. Finds it! Tripped out the 10 late. For the second 300 game of the day. Oh yeah! Wow. Perfection once again.
Perfect.
Lightning has struck twice. And this was also another high-scoring match. No open frames. That really doesn't count. That's not an open frame, but there it is. 300 to 264. Jaehan has taken the win and is still undefeated. And just like every week, it is Wednesday, so by tonight, I will update the scores with the points. Jaehan also gets herself 10 points. Just a reminder that if you win your match, if the player wins a match, 10 points. If the player loses a match, they still get 7 points. So, These points matter going into week 6, which is in a few weeks. There's still time until week 6. But until then, don't forget to destroy that like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on all the bells necessary. Tune in Friday to see what kind of video is happening. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you anytime soon. TP2 out.